The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Hi, today let's learn table tennis with Coach Sun Hyeong. He is a professional table tennis coach in China, ex-coach of Lin Yunru.
Lesson 3. Penhold Grip. Translated by Emrithich. Now, let me teach you how to grip the penhold racket. Generally speaking, there are two ways to grip the racket. One is for both sides attack, which is the penhold. It allows both forehand and backhand. This grip is called the 50-50 grip. Now, let's take a look. You can see that the index finger and thumb are positioned in a way that they form a roughly equal balance, the middle part, the middle section. Now, looking at the back of the other racket, 3 fingers at the back should rest against the rubber on the backhand side. At this point, that the forehand stroke angle can be fully opened. Similarly, for backhand strokes, the racket face can also open freely. Next, we will discuss some fine-tuning adjustments to the grip. If you want to favor the forehand more, allowing for stronger forehand strokes, then you can adjust your grip this way. Starting from the 50-50 balance, we make small adjustments. You can curl your index finger slightly upward. You will notice that this increases the contact area compared to the original 50-50 grip. This also increases the impact ratio. In other words, your power will be greater. On the other hand, your backhand will become more restricted. So, this is a grip that favors the forehand. If you mainly use the backhand push, then simply move your index finger slightly higher and shift your thumb closer to the handle. Now, the push-blocking racket angle is set with this angle. Pay attention. When transitioning from push-blocking to forehand, grip adjustment is needed. Now, let's watch this transition in slow motion. Focus closely. This is the transition from push block, as mentioned to forehand in the 50-50 grip. I can perform both forehand attacks and backhand penhold strokes. Now, take a look. With the index finger higher, it becomes a forehand dominant grip. If we shift the thumb upward, the index finger naturally lowers. Now, you will notice that the backhand angle opens similarly. When transitioning from backhand to forehand, Coach Sun will now demonstrate. This adjustment is easier than transitioning from forehand to backhand push. So, for those who started table tennis in the past 2 years, Coach Sun recommends using the second method. The 50-50 inches balance grip, backhand strokes, and continuous forehand topspin rallies.
下面来教大家如何去学会直拍的握板。那么通常来讲，握板呢分2种，一种是两面转换，也就是直拍横打跟正手两面都要兼得的，咱们这个握法叫5-5分，5-5开。那么从现在开始，大家可以看到食指跟拇指大概是一个比例上是5-5开的，捏住中间的部分。对，那么背面呢，后面的3个手指同时贴住反手位的胶皮。那么这个时候你会发现正手的一个击球拍能够打得开，那么反手的一个横打的击球拍面也能打得开。那么接下来是一个握拍上微调的环节。如果说你是想偏正手一点，正手发力好一点，正手的使用率多一点的话，你可以用这样的一个握拍。咱们通过5-5分为起点，咱们来作为一个微调。你可以把食指往上扣一点，你就会发现这样的一个击球面积会比刚刚的5-5分更加大，这样撞击的一个比例会更多一点。那么也就是说你的力量会更大一点。那么相反，你会发现反手就会比较压了啊，所以说这是一个偏正手的握法。那么如果说你反手是用推挡呢，很简单， 再把食指往上靠一点，拇指往拍柄这个位置靠一点。对，那么我们推挡的拍面就形成了。那么有推挡的拍面的时候，大家要注意了，推挡衔接到正手呢，是需要一个微微的转换。接下来给大家看一个比较慢的慢动作，大家要盯紧。这是一个推挡转正手的。那么刚刚说的一个5-5分的状态，也就是我正手能够有一个击球面积，反手也能够直拍横打呢。那么大家可以看一下，刚刚这样食指上来是一个偏正手的握法，那么咱们调回来，把拇指往上抠一点，自然而然的食指就会下来了。那么这个时候你会发现，我反手位的拍面打开了。那么同样的，反手位的直拍横打过正手呢，也是需要微微的调整。那么孙教练给大家做一个示范。那么这个一个调整会比正手位过反手位的推挡要轻松一些啊。所以说，如果说大家是近2年才接触到乒乓球的呢，孙教练建议你们使用第2种5-5分的一种抓板，既可以横打，也可以正手位连续拉、连续对攻都没有问题。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, pingsunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.